So the examination began from 5th March 2018 and finished on 26th March 2018, and this examination was conducted at 16 centers. Next. Now these are the results of last 5 years. So 2013, from 2013 onwards, in 2013 the result was 82.96%. This is just for information which we are displaying there. Then 2014 it was 85.54%. Then 2015 it was 88.10%. 2016 it was 90.10%. 2017 it was 88.78%. So these are the figures of last 5 years of board examination. Then this year, March 2018, arts results are 85.17%. So 4,079 students appeared. 3,474 students passed, and of course there are some exempted students also, and the percentage is 85.17. Then commerce, 5,402 students appeared, 4,893 students passed, and the result is 90.58. Science, 5,462 students appeared. Then number of students passed is 44,096, and the result is 82.31%. And the occasional 2,796 per student appeared. Number of students passed is 2,309, and this percentage is 82.58%. Then the overall number of students appeared is 17,739. Number of students passed is 15,172, and the overall percentage of all 4 streams is 85.53%. So this is the overall result of arts, commerce, science and vocational stream. Okay. Then gender wise result: girls, 9,394 girl students appeared, passed 8,296, and the result of girl student is 88.31%. And the boys, you can see on top, 9,394 appeared, out of which 8,296 passed, and this percentage is 82.39%. So again the total 17,739, 15,172, and pass percentage is 85.53%. Then center wise, maximum result is of Porvorim center, 96.83%, and minimum result is of Honda center, that is 75%. Okay. Then certain schools, the results of certain schools is above 95%. So these schools are Carmel Higher Secondary School, Nuve, Salset; Sri Damodar Higher Secondary School of Science, Margaon; Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, Verna; Maria Bambina Higher Secondary School, Kukali; Andrews Higher Secondary School, Vasco da Gama; Teresa of Jesus Higher Secondary School, Chaudi, Kankon; People's Higher Secondary School, Panji; विद्या प्रबोधिनी हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल पुरवरी, कमलेश्वर शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्था हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल कोरगांव, दॅट इज पेडणे, विश्वनाथ महादेव परुळेकर हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल वेरें, वसंत वी.एस. कुंकळेकर हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स अँड कॉमर्स ओल्ड गोवा, डॉन बॉस्को हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल पणजी, मुष्टिफंड हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल पणजी, मुष्टिफंड आर्यन हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल, so this school is unaided, Panji, and Dr. Hedgewar Higher Secondary School, Panji. So the 9 schools are from the north and 6 schools are from south. So altogether 15 higher secondary schools have, the results of 15 higher secondary schools are above 95%. Then sports merit marks. Number of candidates who availed sports merit marks is 3,743. The number of candidates who have passed the exam with the help of sports merit marks is 2,255. Percentage of candidate passing the examination with the help of sport merit marks is 1.4%. So 1.4% students are passing with the help of sports mark. Then subject-wise passing percentage and highest mark in the subject. Okay, English language 1, pass percentage 97.33%, and the highest mark scored by the student is 92. Konkani language 2nd, pass percentage 99.26, highest mark score are 98. Marathi language 2nd 99.34, highest marks 98. Hindi 99.53, highest marks 98. Urdu second language 100%, highest mark 96. Sanskrit second 100%, 99, highest marks. French language second 99.18, highest mark 98. Portuguese language second 97.12, highest marks 88. History 90.12%, highest marks 100. Marathi language 1, 100%, highest mark 91. Accountancy 93.95, highest marks 99. Sociology 94.35, highest marks 99. Political science 90.29, highest marks 100. Mathematics and statistics commerce stream 92.58, highest marks 100. Cooperation 94.64, highest marks 99. Economics 94.5, highest marks 100. Secretarial practice 94.13, highest marks 98. Business study 92.31, highest marks 99. Physics 92.93, highest marks 99. Chemistry 96.10, highest marks 99. Biology 99.35, highest marks 100. Computer science 98.94, highest marks 99. Geology 96.7, highest marks 96. Psychology 90.56, highest marks 100. Mathematics science stream 80.58, highest marks are 100. English communication skill occasional 98.14, highest marks 91. And general foundation course 93.6, highest marks 95. So these are some of the, of course there are many other minor subjects, but we have taken into consideration only the major subjects. Then after examination, the board give chance for re-evaluation, then supply of photocopies of answer books, verification of marks in absentia. So these are the dates. Re-evaluation 7th May 2018. So students will have to apply on or before 7th May 2018. Supply of photocopies of answer books 12th May 2018, and verification of marks in absentia 25th May 2018.
These are the application dates.
Yeah, last dates. Then we also give the chance to the students to appear for the supplementary examination. So this supplementary examination will commence from 7th June 2018, theory. Practical examination will be 15th June 2018. Examination centers: North, MAPSA, that PVS Kushi Higher Secondary School, Asgaon, and South, Government Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, Borda, Margango. So these are the two centers on which the examination, theory examination, supplementary examination will be conducted in June. Then one more thing, the students with remark needs improvement are eligible for supplementary examination. Other students are not eligible. So only with remarks needs improvement they are eligible. Then student who desire to improve marks can also answer supplementary examination under improvement of marks scheme. Then 2 chances for improvement of marks under improvement schemes are permitted. So this is the new thing which you have introduced this time. As per the board rule, earlier the 1 chance was given for the students for improvement, only 1 chance. But now the 2 chances will be given for improvement.
Just 2 supplementary.
No, for improvement. No, 2 supplementary. Now the student suppose want to improve. Those who have passed in 2018.
Yeah.
So he will given me chance in the supplementary examination and then again March 19 examination.
Generally.
Yeah. So this is the new thing which we have introduced. So kindly give the wide publicity to this. So the students, we will be informing to the schools, but also all the press
Earlier,
members are.
this limit was not there.
One
This
chance.
limit was
Only 1 chance was there.
only 1 chance.
1 chance was there for improvement.
Altogether, how many chances, not for improvement, for passing?
Only last 5.
For passing? किती chances असतात?
Passing any number.
Last time you issued circular saying that there will be 4 or 5 chances something.
Last 5 years.
Pass.
Yeah.
Pardon?
Last time you issued a circular saying there will be 4 or 5 chances maximum.
5 chances.
Yeah.
5 chances.
No,
5 years.
Not chances. There'll be
5 years.
5
5
years,
years.
a student can
Okay.
take up the examination.
5 years.
Beyond that 5 years, he'll have to take all the entire subjects.
And the sports merit marks you didn't show on the mark list. Sports merit marks.
Okay.
Sports merit mark list.
Next.
Now, the candidates who passed in March 2017 are also eligible for improvement of marks scheme for 2 chances, that is with effect from March 2017, that is up to March 2019. So, if anyone desires, so he can also appear for the improvement.